Such an interesting piece there from Chuma Ude. And our plans are underway to roll a livestock identification and traceability program that will see each livestock in Kenya given a digital tag and identification. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Andrew Karanja says this is part of measures to boost export of livestock products, ensuring food safety and tackling livestock theft.
Kenya is targeting to secure key livestock markets such as the US, Europe and the Middle East through increased animal surveillance and health. The Agriculture Cabinet Secretary says digital livestock identification will enhance traceability, which is one of the requirements for key markets.
If you want to trade internationally, even in the coffee, the tea and all the other products, issues about traceability, where does this material come from? That is a very important issue.
The livestock identification program is also part of a solution to tackling animal theft.
We are now going to the technology way. We tag the animal using a tag or an electronic tag. So it's a program which is going to be rolled out early next year.
The livestock identification program, to be rolled out next month, will run parallel with the livestock vaccination program, targeting to offer foot and mouth disease vaccine doses to 22 million cattle and PPR vaccine doses to 15 million goats and sheep.
The volume of vaccines is clear. 22 million doses for foot and mouth and close to 15 million doses for PPR. This is targeted for sheep and goats.
Karanja says 34 investors have shown interest in starting tanneries in special economic zones as part of plans to enhance value addition to skins and hides, most of which are exported raw or semi-raw.
A cow's hide, you can get up to 10 pairs of shoes. Even if you sell that shoe for 1,000, you can see the amount of money you have.
An additional 1 billion shillings has been availed for livestock restocking program, targeting 10,000 families in 16 counties who lost their animals to drought. Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime News.